What is up, guys? Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and a lot of you guys have been asking, where's the 5.9 twin turbo project? Where's the 5.9 Magnum? What happened to that build? Well, it's sitting right here behind me. Turbos, heads, cams, short block that we assembled in the last 5.9 video update. We've just been getting busy working on the house. Here comes the excuse list. But I did film this little section of the new project vehicle that we are going to be putting the 5.9 twin turbos in. So here's a little video clip of talking about it and a walk around of it. Just remember, I was going to put this at the end of a different video, so I might be talking about some other things from the last video that I posted. So if you guys are kind of a little confused about me talking about turbo pipes and stuff, we're talking about SRT10 over here, because I filmed that after I was redoing the turbo kit on this. So if I start talking about that, that's where that's from. But enjoy this little video clip of the new project vehicle that we are going to be doing the twin turbo 5.9 on. So we got a new project for the twin turbo 5.9 project, or we got a new vehicle for the twin turbo 5.9 project. And I'm super stoked, and I hope you guys are too, that we finally have a chassis of what we're putting our twin turbo 5.9 into. So here it is. Boom. White Lightning. No, just kidding. Whitey. So Whitey is a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, of course. Single cab long box for now. Base of the base model. We picked him up for a solid price. This truck is very base model. The interior is actually not that bad. Too bad we're probably going to be stripping it all because race truck. And yeah, White Lightning, or Whitey. I haven't decided really a name yet for him, but yes. So he is a 98 Dodge Ram 1500, four-wheel drive. Big Magnum V8, 5.2 Magnum V8, which is okay because we have the 5.9 sitting in the shop. And we are going to actually do something a little bit different with Whitey. We're not just going to hop in and put the motor in and twin turbo him and build the trans and build the rear end and gut him and everything. We're going to take this guy with baby steps. I feel like SRT10, I kind of rushed into that turbo truck way too fast. I didn't show like little mods. So on Whitey, we're going to be doing stuff a little bit different. We are going to first do a stock 0 to 60 test when the DMV opens again, because I can't drive it because we got no plates on Whitey. And yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is a stock 0 to 60 test. Then we're going to bolt a K&N cold air intake on and see what we pick up for our 0 to 60 time. Maybe compare it between that and the eBay one. If you guys want to see like eBay versus K&N, you guys want to see which one's better, and then maybe give away one of the air filter kits. And then we're just going to do like shorty headers, cutting the muffler off, deleting the clutch fan, and just showing you guys all these little mods to make it faster and faster and faster and faster, and just keep doing 0 to 60 tests and show you guys like all these little things, do a tune, do some port work to the kegger, maybe some VRP plates to the kegger. I got a 4-barrel throttle body that we might be able to fit onto the kegger with a lot of modifications, and just do stuff, maybe put some 1.7 roller rockers on it, then do some nitrous on it, and do a stall converter, and just keep doing little stuff and show you guys that what these stock motors can handle. And then do like nitrous and do a cam, and then do cam and nitrous, and then do turbo, do twin turbo on the stock motor, and just see what we can make out of this little 5.2 before we just go in and throw the 5.9 in. The plan is I do want to chop this truck up eventually, but for right now we're going to leave it how it is. I really want to shorten this axle width. I want to bring the rear wheel to like right there, and I want to do like a stubby bed on it and slam the truck 4-wheel drive so we won't have traction issues, because it's just gonna be a street beater. We'll hit it at the quarter mile because I love that, but I really want this thing just to be a street machine. But other than that, we're not gonna have traction issues. It is gonna be pretty sleeper at first. It is extremely rusty. We will be fixing that along the way, but I think it's kind of cool because no one's gonna expect this pile of crap to be that fast. And yeah, I'm extremely excited about it. If anyone's got a taillight, hit me up. Right rear taillight for a 2nd gen Ram. Hit me up. But I'm extremely excited for this project. So let's fire Whitey up and hear what he sounds like. 202,000 miles on the 5.2. You guys can see that. Sorry, glare. Yeah, turn this off so we don't get. Runs really good though. 202,000 miles. Doesn't eat oil. Quiet at speed. Rusty pickup truck. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Just to do mods to a very simple truck and build it from the ground up and just take baby steps doing it. And that's the whole plan. Alright guys, so you watched that little video clip and I kind of just talked about stuff and how we want to do stuff with the 5.2 before we just throw the built 5.9 in it. What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see just me throw the built 5.9 in and the twin turbos, or do you want me to see how much power we can make out of that stock 5.2? See if we can throw some nitrous at it, or do you guys want to see me put the twin turbos on it, or what do you guys want to see? See me put a cam in it, or what? Just tell me what you guys want to see with that 5.2. If you guys want to see me just pull it out and throw it to the scrap bin, or if you guys want to see me actually like see what the 5.2 can do in its stock form. Stock plenum, stock heads, stock cam, all that stuff. If you guys want to just see me throw some turbos on, see if we can do some budget build turbo, throw some nitrous on it, go have fun with it, do like an eBay cold air intake or a K&N cold air intake, and just show you guys like how much power you gain from all these little mods. Delete the centrifugal fan, put electric fan on, do throttle body, delete the exhaust, headers, and all that stuff. And you guys just want to see the little nitty stuff, or if you guys just want to see the big boom, or if you guys just want to see the 5.2 twin turbo to see what a stock engine can handle for power. So let me know down in the comments. The 5.9 Magnum twin turbo build is coming back and now it has a 5.2 brother. The truck is really ugly, but it's actually a really solid truck. So I'm actually really excited with it because I'm excited to strip it because it's an ugly truck. I could never pull myself to strip SRT10 because it's such a clean truck. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. But thank you guys for watching. The 5.9 Magnum twin turbo builds come back very soon. Peace.